Welcome to this guided meditation for finding inner peace. I invite you to place your body in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath, and as you release it, feel your body settle in as you become still more comfortable and relaxed. Allow your awareness to drop down into your body's center, your lower abdomen. And notice that your breathing there has become steady and peaceful. In this moment, all you need to do is gently breathe in and out, and everything else can wait. You're entirely safe and secure, and in this moment, all is well. Imagine you're walking down a quiet lane. The weather is perfect, and you're enjoying the steady rhythm of your footsteps as you move along at an easy, comfortable pace. It must have rained here recently because the air is crisp and clear, and you can smell the fresh fragrance of flowers on the gentle breeze. There are tall, old trees along this lane, and you're enjoying their shade and the soft rustle of their leaves. As you continue walking, you come alongside a weathered wooden fence. It slats all shades of silver and gray. This fence seems to go on for quite a distance, and it's too tall to see over. So you begin to wonder what could be on the other side. Pretty soon you come to a wooden gate, closed securely. A paper note is pinned to the gate, and the paper has your name neatly written upon it. Take the note off the gate and turn it over, and you'll see that it simply says, "Come in." Put the note in your pocket and open the gate. As you step through to the other side, you're greeted by a field of waving grass, some beautiful shade trees, and a small meandering brook. There's a comfortable looking old wooden chair waiting under a tree by the brook, and that's where you're headed. As you walk toward the chair, you begin to take in the lovely essence of this place. The gentle movement of the grass, the warmth of the sun, and the ripples on the water surface all seem to be telling you a story, one you've been longing to hear. Sitting in this comfortable old chair, you feel a familiar sense of warmth and peace, as if you had just been reunited with a dear old friend, someone who knows you very well. There's nothing you'd keep from this person, and anything you do, say, or feel is just fine. Allow this feeling of warmth and peace to completely surround you now, as it communicates its healing presence to every part of you, inside and out. Feel this healing presence touching your shoulders and back, as any tension there melts away. And feel it in your arms and hands and in your chest, abdomen, and hips. And feel this relaxing, healing presence in your legs and feet. And allow this gentle, healing presence to touch your face, head, and neck, as it connects and flows throughout your entire body. Take a few moments to absorb and enjoy this feeling of warmth and peace. From the other side of the brook, an animal has come to drink, attracted by the delicious smell of the water and the inviting peacefulness of this place. As you observe this simple, beautiful occurrence, a leaf falls from the tree overhead and lands in the brook. And as you watch the leaf float downstream, perhaps it occurs to you that some of the concerns you may have been carrying are not really necessary, and you can release them as well. And so, as the leaf floats away out of sight, your heart seems to become lighter, and you're breathing freer. Now the animal that has visited the stream to drink picks up its head and looks directly into your eyes, making a deep connection with you. And in this moment, you recognize that this creature is a mirror of yourself. You understand that in drinking here, it expresses its need, nurtures itself, and fulfills its own destiny. And in knowing this, you also feel nurtured and fulfilled. Take a few moments to more deeply enjoy this awareness. Before you leave the stream, take the note out of your pocket, the one with your name on it. Examine this note a second time, and you may find another message written there, one you didn't notice earlier. Perhaps even the handwriting looks familiar now. Well, it's time to begin your return. So take your time and let all you've learned stay with you as you gradually bring your focus back to your physical surroundings. And when you're ready, open your eyes and feel awake, alert, and refreshed. Until next time.